Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I wanted to share this VR with you. This is for Nelda's Crafts. She is a fellow Canadian here on YouTube and she is hosting a birthday giveaway challenge. And all she's looking for is a birthday card and a VR. So I thought I would join in on the giveaway. And her giveaway is open until March 15th. And her prize, I'm not sure if this, I know it's open internationally. But I think she's doing a $50 Canadian, and it might be PayPal, as well as another $50 in Canadian dollars to your church or your favorite charity, and she'll provide proof and everything. I think this is an amazing giveaway, and if you guys are not able to enter in the giveaway, you could just go over, subscribe to her channel if you already haven't, and show her some love and support. I'll put all her information down below. Again, head over to her channel just to verify that all the information I provided is accurate. And again, I hope that you guys are able to support her channel, and I'll leave everything below. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.